Today we're going to be walking through the process for signing up for the Trend Micro Vision 1 free trial. So essentially this trial is going to give you 28,000 credits to play around with for 60 days. You can deploy these credits to various different sensors within the environment, for example, endpoint, email, network, to get that full XDR visibility in your environment. I'm going to scroll down and sign up for this free trial, just some basic information, first name, last name, email address, some information about the company, and then you're going to be sent an email that looks like this, right? So this is my inbox for 10-minute mail, just using a throwaway account here, but you'll see an email that looks like this, and we can go ahead and click on Activate Trial. All right, so once we click on this, it's going to take us to the Trend Micro activation service where we can go ahead and create a Trend Micro account. Here, we're going to actually create the Trend Micro account with, again, our company name and some information about us. Once you go through this process, you're going to be sent a verification email, right? So once you go through that, you're going to be on this activation service page where you can go ahead and confirm that your company name, we have the credits, 28,000 credits, and the 60-day expiration date, which for me ends in April. So after this, I'm going to go ahead and select and check off that I read and accepted the terms and continue. So give this a few moments and looks like, yeah, our console activation is successful. Go ahead and click on Trend Micro Vision 1. All right, so here we're just going to select our region where our data is going to be located. So I'll select United States and hit next. All right, and that's it. Here we are on the credit usage page within the Vision 1 console. You'll see that we have 28,000 credits allocated towards us, right? So we can use these credits to deploy different sensors in the environment. And each sensor, for example, endpoint sensor will say 20 credits per sensor with a data retention of 30 days. Each sensor has a different amount of credits that it costs, right? So allocating 20 credits would give you one endpoint sensor. If you wanted to deploy, right, 10 machines, that would be 200 credits, right? So the math there. And then you have the different options, right? Endpoint, email, network. Network sensors essentially deploying a virtual machine into your environment to scan all your traffic, north, south, east, west, give you that visibility within your detection and response strategy. And you'll notice on the bottom under others that you have a couple other options as well. If you want to be able to do manual sandbox submission where we virtually analyze files or links that you may send to us and then give you a sandbox analysis report of it, right, that you can allocate credits towards that as well. And you'll also see that there's a mobile sensor on the bottom.